Hello everybody, it's Alex with Sigala Designs. Thanks for tuning back for a brand new video. Now, this video, as you guys can tell by the title and thumbnail, is gonna be a little bit different and very, very special for you guys because, well, it's gonna be a ton of basically a lot of fun content for you guys to watch. And real quick, you guys can see it's night out or early morning. It is currently 2:15 in the morning, Sunday, October 30th. Now, you might be wondering, where are we going this early in the morning? Usually when we get up for like, let's say a Cars and Coffee event or like a show that may be up in LA, usually we're up around like 6, 7, but no, it is 2 in the morning. We are going to Sema 2022. Yes, we're gonna be attending Sema this year with 2 of our cars and 1 of our customer's car. Behind me, you guys can see we have the C8 with the Z06 wing. We got these custom side skirts made. You know, we changed out the all carbon flash look and added this pinstripe, and honestly, it looks perfect. We got the vertical doors on here. We have a C8 RR hood. Now you might be wondering, something's missing, right? We are missing a front lip because we are going to be driving this car to Vegas and we don't want any rock chips happening, so we have it loaded up in the Expedition, which we are also taking. And over here we have the wide body Shelby GT500. Here they already are going ahead and taping up the whole front end because for a special show like this, you obviously want to bring your A game. You don't want no rock chips. You want the car to be absolutely perfect. So they got the front bumper all taped up. They got the quarter taped up, the mirrors. So they are really getting prepped to make this drive. And real quick, another huge change to the C8 is we got hooked up with some Lexani wheels. Look at how much more aggressive that makes the C8 look. Huge shout out to Lexani. We're gonna put their Instagram down below. Now we are missing one more car. Well, honestly, this doesn't even fall into the realm of being considered a car. This is gonna be an absolute unit. All right, it is on the way right now and we're gonna show you as soon as it pulls up, because honestly, the transformation that this vehicle has gone through is absolutely insane. And honestly, you guys are gonna have to wait to see it. Now, you guys know, no road trip is a road trip without some snacks. So we got hooked up. Now it's time to hit the road once, well, we wait for this one more car that I wanna show you. The car that has been absolutely transformed into an absolute tank is the 2022 Escalade. Look at that full custom wrap, 26-inch Lexani wheels and tires. I mean, look at how insane this looks, especially with all the stuff I'm about to show you, including the top storage box. Starting with the front end, we have a fully custom carbon fiber front grille, including a full carbon fiber emblem with the different colored carbon, including full custom 100% carbon fiber mirrors and all the trim pieces around the window seals. And if you thought that wasn't enough, even the top storage box is made of carbon. Look at that. Literally the center, the sides, even the whole bottom carriage. This is the laser chrome red from Kuchoy, and honestly, it turned out amazing.
3 hours later.
All right, guys, so I don't know if you can tell or not, but I just woke up. I've been asleep the whole trip so far. We're in Barstow currently, and I don't know if you can notice the camera shaking a little bit. And that's my bad, but you know, I just checked how cold it was because all of us are freezing. And can you guys 45 degrees. My ass is freezing, bro. Alright, like I can't even hold the camera straight because of how much my hand is shaking. But oh my gosh, I mean, so far checking up on the Escalade, we are still 100%. We got GT500 with us, the SVT Evil. I'm gonna have his Instagram on the screen right here. We got the Corvette and all its beauty. Still got the Expedition staying strong. And oh man, he's probably in his car. How you doing, bro?
Great.
Man, you got the heater in here?
Oh yeah.
Look, I'm trying to like.
I mean, it's only like 30 degrees out here, man.
Dude, I can't even like hold the camera straight. Like I'm trying to record, dude. Oh man, you ready to continue the trip?
Let's roll. Let's do it.
All right, let's roll. So, I think after this one, this will be the last fill up until we reach Vegas. All that's left to do now is get back on the road, and I'm gonna turn the heater on, and I'm gonna turn the seat warmer on, and I can't even freaking function. I'm like, all right, let's roll. Alright guys, so if you guys have been subscribed to the channel for a while, you guys would know that last year we came with the CARR to the world's largest Chevron station. You guys can see it's like over 100 pumps. I don't even know the exact number. I'm gonna put up the number on the screen of how many pumps there are here exactly. But we have everyone coming inside, and we're about to show you the Terrible's Roadhouse gas station. Now, for a road trip like this is definitely one of the gas stations where I can confidently say you will be able to find any snack, any drink, anything you guys want for the road here. I mean, they got literally everything. Even over there, they got their own like Skittles machine. So if you like a specific type of Skittles, you can just get that color.
Meanwhile.
Oh, anyways, guys, look, it's a Pac-Man machine with a fridge. That's dope. And now that you guys see the Escalade in the sun, for the most part cleaned up, let us know what you guys think of this transformation. We are gonna put a before picture up on the screen so you guys know exactly what it looked like before this complete transformation. Now that we have the cars set up for the photo, Andrew, I think you know what you need to do.
Let's do it.
There it is. Look at that. Oh, aired out. So I'm here with Andrew, and we are about to enter the hall where the GT500 will be at. Now, the preparation for a show like this is absolutely insane. I mean, look at all the booths and all the work that has to be done in order to have it ready. Literally, they only have today and tomorrow to get the show completely ready to open on Tuesday. So I mean, they're probably gonna be here day and night, just fixing everything, making sure everything's perfect. But us, we just gotta get there and clean the car. That's it. That's all we have to do. So for us, I guess it's pretty easy. So we'll show you once we get to the actual booth. Now here is the official setup for the booth. Here we have the GT500 in its place, looking absolutely beautiful inside the 3D booth. Now this isn't exactly how it's gonna look like once the show starts. We did leave a little room around the edges only because the booth surrounding us will need to move some more pallets, and we don't want to risk anything happening to the car. So this is kind of the general look of how it's gonna be for the show, and now it's just a matter of playing the waiting game, and we'll be ready for Tuesday, November 1st, when the show starts. Okay, so now that we dropped off the GT500, it's at the 3D booth. Now we gotta walk across the entire convention center to get to the Lexani booth, where both the Escalade and my mom's Corvette are at. Andrew, what'd you think of the spot?
It's beautiful. Good, perfect spot. It's like when you walk in, that's the first thing you see.
Yeah, literally.
Yes.
And it's in front of one of like the main walkways too, inside of the West Hall. So I mean, you guys saw it when nothing was really set up. So imagine once they have all their products out, once they're actually detailing the car. Man, it's gonna be another experience for you, huh?
It looks amazing now. I can only imagine all these people and everything set up, and
Exactly.
it's gonna be awesome.
So, all right, so let's go ahead, get to the other two cars and show you guys their setup. Now that you guys see behind me, I think you guys know what I'm about to show you. Here we have both the Escalade, and then tucked away we have over there the C8 Corvette, here all set up. Now in this spot, it looks absolutely stunning, just the way that the sun is hitting all the carbon, and just the color is, this is a laser chrome red, and it's more of like a holographic. There on the camera you can see kind of a little bit of blue, a little bit of yellow. So in the sun, when the sun hits it just right, you can really see the change of color and kind of the reflections it gives. And even the nice touch is the Lexani logo to color match the wrap. Now all these carbon panels, look at how much they shine in the sun. This looks absolutely amazing, especially with the storage box on top, carboned out. Look at that, the handle, the side piece, the back, and even the whole bottom tray is made of carbon. Over here with the C8 Corvette, you can see we already have it all set up with the doors up, and just to make sure nobody sits in it during the show, here we have clearly stating do not sit in car and blue tape. It's almost like it's color matched, like it was meant to be, just to make sure nobody gets in the car. Now that we are leaving the South Hall, we all got our badges and are ready for the show. When we come back, we are going to be heading home to San Diego tonight, and then coming back Wednesday, so a day after the show starts. But at least now we're ready. We know the cars are dropped off, they're clean. Okay guys, so a few hours have passed since we last dropped off the cars at the show. We are back at Terrible's Roadhouse, and well, we're heading back home. Now here we are with Carlos, our sponsor with Lexani. Now, what'd you think of the cars when you first saw them?
First off, you said like a couple hours ago, it feels like forever. It's
yeah.
Sema road trip, but it's all good. The cars were dope when I first saw them. In fact, people were calling me on the phone while I was loading our truck in, like, yo, did you see the red Escalade? That shit is crazy, blah, blah, blah. I was like, cool, did you see the blue joint behind it, the C8? And they're like, yeah, that shit is on fire. So I was like, that's all I needed to know.
Yeah.
So we'll be good for Sema.
Yeah, so he already had high expectations before you even actually saw the cars in person.
Oh,
and
definitely.
Once you saw him, it was kind of like, it knocked it out of the park.
Well, yeah, I mean, you can't assume that whoever's gonna show up is gonna come, you know, everybody's like, oh, my ride's gonna be dope, I'm doing this, doing that. But when you actually show up, they don't always look like what they talk about. Yeah. You know what I mean? So we're very selective on who we work with. So with that being said, you know, I don't know who that was in the background, but you know, when we do select people, we try to go with cast that we know are gonna show up and show out.
One more thing, you know, we're in Vegas. We did hit up the casino. Now, I'm not old enough yet, but my dad over here, oh my God, hey, how much did we make, Dad?
Shit, you want to show you?
Yeah, let's see.
Look at that.
Right, the casinos. Dang, let's see.
1,000, 2,000, 25, 3, 35, 4, 42, 44, 4,500.
4,500.
Cash. Cash. Andrew. Right? This is how much I won, right? You were there?
Yeah, I was there.
See? Yeah. Vegas, baby.
That's real
Real
too.
money shit. Look.
Man, look at that.
No Photoshop here.
Now, for those They want to hate. What are they gonna say? What are the haters gonna say?
Haters are gonna say it's Mexican money.
The haters are gonna say it's Mexican money. Right here.